My original Pixel charger broke, so I've got another one. This is by a company called RoManiac. So, as you can see, very similar to the brick that I had before. This is for a Pixel 4, the original power adapter. Now, it is very nice design. Here's what's interesting. This is a travel adapter. And what's cool about it is that you have the input 100 to 240. So this one works even if you're traveling. Also, this is an intelligent charger. So what makes it an intelligent charger? You see, it can sense the voltages. So whatever you want to charge, if you want to charge a 9-volt device, a 12-volt device, or a 5-volt device, when you plug it in, this cable can communicate, and then this adapter knows, and it changes the amperage that it puts out and the voltage based on the requirements of the device that you are trying to charge. So pretty cool, comes in a box. You have 1+1 warranty, so if you register with them, you have a 2-year extended warranty on it. So this one was a travel adapter. It can do 5 and 9 volt. This one can do a lot more voltages. This one can do 5, 9, 12, and it's nicely clearly marked over here compared to this one. You can't even see, you know, you need glasses. When you're older, you can't even see what's going on. But this one, perfect. You could see what's going on. So yeah, I really like this adapter. I found it on Amazon. Put a link at the bottom of the video. Thanks for watching.